Hi, I'm Todd Cooprider with Esoteric. Welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question is, it's a very good one, how to keep your car clean at a car show. We get these kind of questions all the time. We've talked about it in other videos. Really, the big question is, do you need to clean your car up at a car show? Over the weekend, you've gotten your car ready, you drive it to the event, and then the car has dust from the road or from wherever you were coming in, and it gets settled on the vehicle. To me, I would rather be the person with a dusty car with perfect paint underneath. Because when you're trying to clean up a car at an event like that, you're risking marring the finish and causing swirls. To me, a trophy is not worth the swirls that you get in there. But to some people, they want to make sure that it's completely dust-free. And one of our other popular videos we've got is about talking about quick detailers and how not to use them. And that kind of goes to the point here that we're going to be talking about. You know, I'm not going to drive a car to an event. Sometimes you got to go through fields and stuff, and you get all this abrasive dirt and dust on the car. And you go start spraying things down with quick detailer because the back of the bottle says, you know, great for in-between cleanings. And those people, it doesn't surprise me when we go look at their cars, they're all swirled up. They're dust-free, but they're all swirled up because they do that too often. So I want to give you a little bit of an alternative way to think about cleaning up your car at an event so that you can reduce the risk of any kind of marring. Because once again, there's no substitute for a regular 2-bucket method foam gun. The more water you're using, the safer it's going to wash everything away. So what we're doing here instead is just taking a generic spray bottle, probably pick it up at Lowe's or Home Depot or something, a generic spray bottle. We fill it with either a filtered or a distilled water. That way it'll keep a little bit longer. And then we just put a couple of drops of our pH neutral shampoo in here. We're not putting anything that's got gloss enhancers or anything else like that. Just a good cleaner that's going to add some lubricity to it to help safely remove everything. Then the other important thing is we want a stack of towels. Not the one towel that goes in the trunk of the car that, you know, follows the whole show circuit and gets used over and over. We want to have high quality towels. We want to have a good supply of them. Typically speaking, for a car, you know, you can go through 6 to 12 towels to do this right and to do it the safe way. You also want a little bit different kind of towel here for maybe doing the faces of the wheels or the real low areas that have gotten a lot dirtier. You don't want to mix and match those. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with a little bit heavier spray than what we would with a quick detailer. And just to kind of show you, you know, I'm going to spray the surface down pretty well. And then I'm going to take my towels, I keep them folded in force. And depends on how dirty it is. If it's really dirty, you know, I might just go one direction, flip the towel over, come back, then I can turn it inside and out. I can go back down again. I'm not putting any pressure on it whatsoever. And then if you have a little bit left over, now that you've gotten the dirt and debris off, I might just put a little bit of spritz in here and kind of buff everything off. Or if you have your favorite quick detailer you're using, or if you have your favorite product for maintaining a ceramic car like a Cosmic Spritz, I'm going to put that down after I have done this cleaning process. And with your towel, you know, basically you have 8 surfaces that you can work with once you fold it inside and out, and you go and continue to clean that whole car. That is going to remove stuff. You're going to be able to see it right on the towel. After you wipe 1, maybe 2 directions, you can see how much is built up. You don't want to reintroduce that dirt onto the next section. You repeat that whole process over the entire car. All you've used is a little bit of soap for the process. It's added some lubrication so that you're not marring the finish. Keep a bag that you throw all your dirty ones in, and then after the show, you go home and clean them. You stage them for the next time around. Super, super simple. Also, if you've got this with you in those car shows, you get to the event, you have any bugs that are built up on the front of a car. This is a good way. You can really soak them well. You wouldn't want to do that with a quick detailer because you're going to have a big smeary mess when it's all said and done. So hopefully that gives you a better idea of what goes into keeping a car clean at a car show to protect the surfaces. You know, we're just like anything else detailing, we're gonna do the top surfaces first, and then we're gonna work our way down, and we're gonna do the vertical surfaces. And with that, I'm gonna use a straight up and down motion as I am working with it. Once I get down to the bottom, I can flip the towel and go down over it again. Make sure that you watch the next video we're gonna link you to that talks a little bit more about quick detailers and how not to use them. We don't wanna try to substitute a quick detailer for proper water and soap when we're trying to clean things up at a car show. You can get your trophies, you feel good about your clean car, and not put swirls in it while you're at it. As always, we appreciate you hanging out with us here on the Esoteric channel. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.